Hey babe, where you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. The Betway Premiership season is about to start. It starts tomorrow. Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates are both playing tomorrow. They're both playing against brand new Premier Soccer League clubs or Premiership clubs. Orlando Pirates are hosting at the Orlando Amstel Arena. They are hosting Melford. Kaizer Chiefs will travel to Mpumalanga to play against a new team, Kruger United. We'll talk briefly about that, and of course, broadly in this video, there's a big story that's happening with Kaizer Chiefs. Ulangelihle Phili, he is about to be signed by Kaizer Chiefs. Makongo, Snetema Makongo, our journalist, has already showed us a video. Ashley Dupree, he was at the Cape Town International Airport, so there's a swap there. So anytime from now, Chiefs will announce that signing. So we'll spend a lot of this video talking about that. Is Phili the right player to go for Kaizer Chiefs? Junior has already mentioned that Chiefs need a player like that amongst 5 other players he mentioned a few weeks ago. So we'll spend a lot of time talking about that. Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure you're subscribed as well. Junior, thank you very much for joining us, sir. Let's quickly just talk about the predictions. The new teams, Milford visit Amstel Orlando Arena, and then Chiefs are also host away to Kruger.
Yeah, ngikho my brother kunjani?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa Justice.
Yes, sir, Justice.
Benedict Sovila
So-and-so?
Bobzin la khona.
Yes, sir.
Shane. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, I think our team welcome to Betway Premiership is not going to be easy. Asiqale ngeOrlando Pirates neMilford Slaughter. Bezala Slaughter, and it's not going to be easy. Mountain to climb. Amatlapa amaningi last season is proven azange abuye na.
Yeah.
So it's one-way traffic. That's for me. Yes, bazozama, they will try by all means, but the experience of Orlando Pirates West, they are champions of Betway Premiership. Bazowin Orlando Pirates, that game is 2-0. Yeah, for me, I don't think Milford will able to score. I've never seen them signing Wabo Milford.
Yeah, they've kept most of the teams from International Fighter Future.
Yeah, kushuta zange bafunde ku Orbit College. They never learn. Kushuta makunenkinga njengale man funa ukudlala bese second round of the season.
Oh yeah, actually, Orbit did the same thing. What December?
Yeah.
My boy ukuthi izinto ziyabheda.
Yeah.
Then they sign a few players.
Yeah, and then other team they need to learn. Mangabi nyoku bebanganayo that powerhouse yemali bekumele communicate the municipality. I'm sure municipality could come to the party because a lot of players the opportunity to badlala football now. I think the mayor or MMC yase KwaZulu Natal happy ukuthi now join Milford after kune Richards Bay namazulu bengimamele last week. Very exciting, especially newcomers ama players with the opportunity ning my umsebenzi. But now they need to pump up money. Those teams need to sign players, so I don't see them coming Orlando angeke. Yeah, bangazama ukuzilekelela, but Pirates is too strong for the team.
Orlando Pirates win for you against Milford. Yeah. Okay, nice one. Thank you so much. And then Kaizer Chiefs visiting Kruger. They're going to Mpumalanga. Now, but there are new boys in town. Kaizer Chiefs with a brand new coach as well.
Yeah. I think Chiefs Yembombela, Capet. Kruger nayo ngibonile abasana ngene. They never signed a couple of players. Mangicheka, they kept the coach. Coach Xaseyo there. By explore, man. They by experimental ama team. And yes, ngiyazi ukuthi kunenkinga zemali, but I can tell you, kuna players that were just released currently. I'm not talking about 6 months ago. Manje, angana contract. Those players, ngikhuluma ngama experienced players. Abuya ku Betway Premiership, bekumele bathathe 4 nyana. At least because experienced player, you can't buy experience.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs, angabi convinced. Angabi convinced at all. Ngibabukelile badlala Northwest, people came in numbers ngikhuluma ngama spectator wabo, and even the coach kuna statement engisibona release. He said yes, in terms of structure set defense powerful, yena is happy, but in terms of offensive akakabi happy with players. Mangabe kusho the leader, the coach ohlele benchini, what does that tell you? Ngikhuluma ngecoach, the man ebathembe yena ukuze azoshintsha yonke lento beyenzeka Kaizer Chiefs. So tells you ukuthi it's the same team. But experience, obvious, a little bit experience. Kunabo mabuye lapha. Yeah, those players obviously labachita le Kameli Chiefs for me amanye ama-team anjengalawo aqeda ukufika lizobathusa and they will lose the game 1-0. That's for me, and I don't see Chiefs losing that game. Mara, they're not gonna win with a heavy score.
It won't be a convincing win.
That's
but it
for
will
me.
be a Chiefs win.
Yeah, 1-0. Yes, I think Chiefs will win 1-0.
All right, nice one. Thank you so much, Junior. At the Mobile Stadium, congratulations to the people of Mpumalanga as well. You have a second team there. Of course, one of the teams is TS Galaxy. So you will be able to host your Sundowns, your Chiefs, your Pirates, the big teams there. So we look forward and we're excited for you as well that you are able to host these teams. The same with the Kingdom of KwaZulu. You have one more team, meaning that 3 times the biggest teams in South Africa will tour your cities and your municipalities. So yeah, for Junior, saying Orlando Pirates win and the Kaizer Chiefs win. It's not a very difficult prediction if you think about it, because those teams are coming up. In fact, we'll be surprised if any of them maybe fight for a draw tomorrow. We'll be here tomorrow at 3 p.m. and at 8 p.m. For those 2 matches. Let's now then move on to the big story. Ulange Lihlephili. It's a player that you do admire, comes from Stellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs fans also admire him, but they have a problem. They have a problem with the swap. The swap is Phili to Chiefs, Nemali, potentially Dupree is already in Stellenbosch, Ueshi Dupree. Maybe Umsimang, there's still a discussion, that's why I'm going to announce it. Maybe Umsimang is Sasoko, but it's a swap between 2 players, Umsimang, a defender, Dupree, who's going to be a very good signing for your Stellenbosch, and then Phili the other way. Let's just talk about that. How does that make you feel? What do you think about the player?
A player big team, I'm fan, starting on Phili. A player big team. It was long coming. Beiza, I mean, umfana uzenzele. Bright future ahead of the umfana. Manga remain humble, maga figure like chose. Because Cape Town and Joburg fan.
Sure.
I think good signing. Okufika Kaizer Chiefs signing player. After cut seat good signing. I think Mabuye and that boy. Yes, that boy, bright future ahead of him. I think it's 21, if not.
Yeah, it was an under-20 World Cup last year.
Yes, 21. Talent. But in Jobangisho. Mangabanga bam compliment. Good signing for Kaizer Chiefs, honestly. Ukuswapa kuyale ku Deprez. That disappointing ama-season abe now Kaizer Chiefs. Akunamama player that they play with the raw talent. And lento le yavele, especially magnum expectation. Going to Chiefs, simbonile dlala ku Stellenbosch, thola ukuthi bakwazi ukumsebenzisa. Going to Chiefs, not to say bamnikile chance, wing, left, central, false 9 on the right wing, forward. I think Chiefs imshayile nje strong. Mina nje bengithi yabona mangabe bayenza iswap deal. I don't think it's a good thing. Bekumele ngabe uyayiqeda i-contract ku Kaizer Chiefs. Noma ngabe bamsayinile uPhili. Bekumele ngabe uyayiqeda i-contract ku Kaizer Chiefs. Not to say ukuthi as a wow player going to Stellenbosch.
Well, I think Stellenbosch, just on that, I think Chiefs Mhlambe, they didn't want to meet the amount. So let's say, for example, it's 15 for example.
Yeah.
And the Chiefs 18. So nigga 8 plus abadlala by 2.
Yes.
So that's how they make it work for a Chiefs.
Yeah.
But I think for Stellenbosch, for indlela bafuna ukumsponsor ngayo, it will feel like if usase uye, because sometimes you lose your confidence as well. I think he's a perfect player for Stellenbosch. For Stellenbosch, Dupree is not wow, of course, but he did really well at Stellenbosch.
Yeah, I think complimenting Stellenbosch structure sub. How many players they sell? About 18 Adams. How many of them? Baning man. We talk about the development, development. Look at their players. They come from their development.
About Van Wyk at Sundowns.
Now signing Sundowns. Development. And banama resources and they know how to develop players. It's not all about buying. So yes, Deprez as ngisho ukuthi iChiefs angitodla leCav. Not to say it's our player coming Kaizer Chiefs, but kunabo Silva, I don't think they're better than him. For me, it's more or less the same. But like Kev now, bafuna ukuchallenge amabasho.
So you would have kept him a little bit.
Yeah, noma ngabe nyamlanda uPhili. So uPhili mfethu yes umsimanga could release. Mina that's for me. Umsimanga it doesn't help Kaizer Chiefs. Honestly, he's been given a fair chance for me, and it doesn't improve. Now I'm sure big team, hlale ngisho kunama player for certain teams. And ubonga lo mfana uPhili, I'm exciting player. It's just that ukuze yazi kunento enjani kule. Angeke ukuthi wazi kahle ukuthi ufuna ukudla kumnandi and then you never bought izinto zokupha
The ingredients.
We understand uthi mina I want to eat properly ukudla kumnandi but awukhonanga ukuthenga lokho kudla
Yeah.
so it's going to be difficult the boy uyophakelwa bani ngichaza ukuthi
Yeah.
do they have the proper number 10 at Kaizer Chiefs a player that is so confident ongakwazi ukuthi rotate ibhola lande drive isisu se Kaizer Chiefs a playmaking a player who can score who can abadishape laba they don't have that type of player or release Serino. Not to say Serino, yes, he was wow at Kaizer Chiefs, but better player compared to players that they are now.
I remember 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
we were talking about 5 players that they should buy. We're talking about a lot of other players
Yes.
that they should have bought. So the point is that they're only buying one of those quality players, but he needed to come with 3 or 4 other players.
Ukuvala abantu umlomo. Mina I'm excited for the boy.
Yeah.
Mara situation yakhe ifana nabo Khama Pilathi ngizoyiphinda futhi nayo. Yabo uthola ukuthi nabo abo Serino. Going there yonke into bayibeke emahlombe wakho nawo. You understand and it tells you ukuthi abafuna ukhipha inyuku imali. But njengabo maye bekumele bayikhiphe imali because development structure saba ayikho strong. Ukuthi they can promote bekumele bayikhiphe imali basana ama player boma 8 9 10. Akuna problem o 11. Yonke team there's nothing wrong because the team badlale ngayo boma deck 3 4 season ayikho into engathi yenzekile special. Now the boy uyeza umthwalo uhlala na. West the boy the experience not much une potential the talent but the experience abokhama experience coming from Sundowns
Kick and Dolly.
Kiyan Doli ufika lapho khame kumjita because umthalo nobeke enhloko umjita ugcina fake ama injury I'm not saying ba fakeile but you end up suspecting ukuthi umjita uyabona ukuthi no la I'm not gonna able to continue ngoba wonke umthalo bobeke enhloko zami that boy if bekaphetha abantu abazomcomplimenta proper number 10 umuntu ozoba i-box to box ku-Sundowns afana nabo umkhulisi I mean to say ku-Chiefs afana nabo umkhulisi abo talent imbatha now currently at Orlando Pirates lo mfana beyanga improve another left wing ezomreserve the pressure abombeka kuyo ngoba sazi right or left player
Yeah.
and a striker that can pouch goals and a mobile skillful who understand ekwazi ukudlala off the ball but now I am telling you, Nkusemfa, Mara good signing. I mean, I'm very excited to crowd pool there. You understand? And I wish the boy, angafika la shivari. Yabo because it is the Chiefs ngihlale ngisho abantu bacabanga ukuthi mhlambe isikhuluma into engekho. Ukuthi the Chiefs is not easy. I mean, ngizoba straight. I've seen players mina sinker. And ngihlale ngiyenze example ngabo Ntshangasi mina. Ntshangasi the one they bought I think we like Black
Black
Leopards.
Leopards, they gave him number 10.
You understand expectation Buchanan baningi abo
Yes, Keegan Buchanan, yeah.
baningi mfithu they think mabafika and then abantu bacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uyagainst it ukudlala ku-Chiefs psychologically mele ube strong
Let's just quickly look at that left hand side. It looks natural ukuthi uye uModi uvele by it looks natural ukuthi kuzodlala yena on the left hand side. Do you agree like uphile makafika ku-Chiefs kumele angene left?
Eish, akadlala number 10 mfana Nkululeko please man bamdlalise la ezo number 10 bayise this guy uvele by ngapha ka left ngoba nyabona uModi engeke abanceda akabancedi nganix and I understand why they keep him that's why ngithi mina abanankinga they won people's heart I need to be straight mele ngibe never inhliziyo zabantu bazwinile ngoba mina yazi ngiyabahlonipha bakamtawu because I'm given a platform mariqiniso mele selikhulume nje balenjalo if they were serious wanting to compete with the Pirates and Sundowns Lama player la ngitshela ngawuphila it's a good signing for them not a bad signing but umuntu ozocomplimenta lo mfana niyenzile ngokubringa bukhama ayinisebenzelanga so the boy nama is confused ukuthi uzodlala iposition because now mele nimrotate because of there's awake amanye ama player that can fill up other positions compliment is difficult who's the best striker for him now as we speak
Yeah.
you understand the best number 10 for him ubani iplayile ngabe asithi uphile bamisa on the left who's going to play on the right or number 10 ubani so it's going to be difficult the boy need to score need to create bazomtrackisa probably back because the defense I don't think they are so strong so if it abakabe serious and but they are a good signing for me
He's a
exciting
good player.
I mean to say good player let me put it that way a good player and just let umfana man bengisha manje ugcina umsuspect mina sengicina for umfana for his career bekumele ngabe uye Pirates njengoba urelevile bezoba i-career yakhe mina that's for me
Yeah, if you wanted to win things immediately.
and bamcompliment
Angathwala umthwalo, yeah.
bamcompliment angithi lapha ku-Pirates kunama players
There's a lot of good other players.
quality exciting similar like him beyangamanayi lapha ku-Orlando Pirates so now yes good player there make no mistake le mfana talented I love the boy because of the brand of football ayidlalayo but ukuya lapha umthwalo ohlale enhloko yalo mfana singasaboni the best of the boy cela ukuthi career khatheka manje ugcina uba frustrated wenza into wrong because yonke into bayibeka emthwalo angazi uyangibamba.
So the transfer window is not closed. The positive thing is that if they want to, they can sign other players.
When I mean these people they sign bacala nge-defender Mloisane, good player.
That's another good player, actually.
Yeah, good player.
Yeah.
Yabo, they've signed Mloisane, akuna problem. Ba sign Mloisane, ba keep abo Mikel, ba keep ta. I'm saying ba keep ta abo Mikel, ba sign Mloisane. The question is good, yes, top class, but lo muntu omphera naye is he going to complement him? The question yami. Right wing back and left ngibonile ka left ngathi baluze player. Now balethu Frost again. Their team there is more the same team. For me, aba movie. They don't move forward. They don't move backwards. They are happy just to go like 4-5 like last year. And well done with Barcelona number 3. But Chiefs is a big team.
Yeah, I think the reality, Junior, and I agree with you 100%. Chiefs need to spend a lot of money, 5-10 players, but they're not going to do that. I think also the reality is that in South Africa there's 2 clubs.
Yeah.
There's Pirates, there's Sundowns.
Yeah.
I think that Chiefs are number 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah.
I think maybe they accept that as well.
Yeah. But that's not right. I mean the brand late nebesiyazi unless sesenze PCV in our fans ama fans ukuthi
Because abalandeli they want more, obviously.
ibhlungu kuleko manjalo because the Chiefs yabo mo set standard if besingakakuboni like a newborn child ngeke sibe nama expectations with you but if uke wayenza iba dangerous kakhulu now labantu bafaka ama trophy playing in style sign top class players angithi sihlale senze example ngalo those type of players do they have exciting players currently? No, abantu abangaba winner. So bayenze peace ukuthi it's Sundowns and Pirates they're going to compete. Or Pirates and Sundowns. Tina sohlala ku3. And u3 naye. Mawunga check
Yeah, U3 is a competition. Even last season, Byakui's Chiefs, Kukune, Amazulu.
You spoke about Stellenbosch.
Yeah, Stellenbosch as well. They are picking up as well. So 3, Bona, number 1 wabo, Namazulu, Kukune, and Stellenbosch. Their number 1 is being at number 3.
Yeah, I'm fair to Naxintegrenda as nisho. No dlali Kev. We should ne Kev and Fungu winner. Phela iBetway Premiership is difficult, but the curve is more difficult. Ngoba udibana namanye ama country, you're going to travel, play home and away. The players are ready now. If iBetway Premiership is obashanga yabashaya. For me, I mean, ngibona bame one place. And uPhili, top class player. Mara ngeke bakhona kumcomplimenta lama player lawa lapha yana. That's for me.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. Tomorrow, we're starting the Betway Premiership. It's a brand new season. We're excited. We'll see what happens. Unfortunately, Sundowns have had their game suspended, or rather postponed themselves in the Marumo Gallants. Fortunately for them, there's still some gaps in the calendar. So by the end of the month, all of them, they would have caught up. It's going to be a very busy season because there's the African Cup of Nations as well at the end of it. And there's also other competitions that Sundowns will have to play. Also, Safa has announced that Hugo Bros has accepted Uyahamba. He doesn't want the new contract, so he's leaving. We've talked about the topic enough times now. I suppose the next time to talk about it is when they've announced a brand new coach. Today, they were just announcing Hugo Bros his contract has ended on the 31st of July today, so he is leaving. A brand new coach will coach Bafana Bafana at the next African Cup of Nations. We'll see you tomorrow with the full team of Itiski TV. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.